How to configure phone alarm by 4G gateway. Plug in the SIM card. Connect the antenna. Plug in the power. Network cable. Connect ModbusRTU devices to RS485 port. Next, we connect ModbusRTU device to 4G gateway by RS485. Plug in the power. Connect ModbusRTU devices and 4G gateway by RS485 serial cable. Make sure your computer is on the same network segment as the gateway. Default IP of the gateway is 192.168.1.88. So, we set the computer's IP to 192.168.1.66. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. You can download the configuration software to view from our website. Unzip the downloaded package. Run x to view.exe directly. Create a new project. Add ModbusRTU driver. Add channel. Add device. Set parameters according to the communication protocol document. New user. Add phone number. Add users to user groups. Select alarm tags. Edit alarm text. Alarm is triggered when the value is 1. Alarm when below 5 and above 8. Enable telephone alarm. Upload project. Start monitoring. Check quality stamp. The quality stamp shows good. Good means the gateway and ModbusRTU device communicate normally. The gateway has read ModbusRTU data successfully. Let's do some trigger alarm tests. As you see, we successfully received an alarm call.